Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will learn about the HTML abbreviation element. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The HTML abbreviation element is used to define an abbreviation or an acronym within a web page. So in order to demonstrate this to you, I'll first of all just create a paragraph. And I'll say CSS is used to style website and save. So this is just a normal paragraph. So this CSS is what? An abbreviation. So let's say I want to what? Provide the full meaning of this abbreviation. I have to wrap it in what? The HTML abbreviation element. So I'll just cut it out and then I'll wrap it in the HTML abbreviation element, which is this abbr. So it has this opening and closing tag. So in between the opening and closing tag, I'll just paste in what? My abbreviation. So we see this CSS here. So but still we don't see any difference. So how do we provide the full explanation or the full meaning of this abbreviation to users? So the HTML abbreviation element or the HTML abbreviation tag has the title attribute. So in the title attribute, we provide in the full expansion or the full explanation of the abbreviation. So whenever a user hovers over the abbreviation, it will display the full explanation or the expansion of the abbreviation in the form of what? A tooltip. So I'll just go ahead and do that for you to see. So I'll just provide a title tag and I'll write in the full meaning of CSS, which is what? Cascading style sheet, and then save. So when I save this, now you see, let me just zoom in. So you see that now when I hover over this, you see cascading style sheet displayed in the form of what? A tooltip. So I'll just go ahead and do it again. So you see cascading style sheet what displayed as a tooltip in the browser. So this is how we can use the abbreviation element to wrap around abbreviation in our web document. So I'll just go ahead and create another one for HTML. I'll just say HTML is used to lay out a web page, and then save that. So we don't see, so when I hover over this, we don't see any tooltip giving us the full explanation of what this HTML abbreviation. So I'll just go ahead and wrap this in the abbreviation element. Then I'll say put in it here quickly. So when I save, still we don't have it. So I'll just go to the title attribute and say HTML stands for what? Hypertext markup language. So when I save this, and then now when I hover over this, I see hypertext markup language displayed as what? A tooltip in the browser. So this is how we can use the abbreviation element to what? Markup abbreviations in HTML. That's all for this video. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.